Hello students. With this tutorial I would like to convey how to put a picture to your campus care profile. Dear students, let's learn how to add a picture to your campus care profile. Step 1. Open your campus care profile after entering the credentials in the app. Step 2. Save a picture with your name and date. Size of the photo should be 20 kilobytes max. Step 3. Touch this option. Step 4. Touch this camera option. Step 5. Touch this gallery option. Step 6. Select your photo. Size of the photo to be 20 kilobytes max. Step 7. If cropping required, then crop the image and touch crop. Step 8. Your picture is saved successfully. Thank you. And one more important message, dear students. Search Hall Ticket 2023 to 024 in NTAP Campus Care in YouTube for admit card, Hall Ticket, and the next exam is midterm. Best of luck.